Let's go gambling. You don't need it.
Painkillers and an onk. When you're about to die, you get 2 extra rounds. If only one pattern shows during a spin, transform its symbols into the most valuable. Alright, we're gonna keep going. Got a little more time here.
Gambling.
There has to be a way to make it. Focusing on diamonds and chests work. There's gotta be a way. I'm determined to find that a way for those to work out. I'm gonna pad myself with as much luck as I can.
Let's go gambling.
I thought I had the... Wait. Interesting. So let's try this last round, see if we can get a little bit higher. I don't feel like the luck is really coming through. So now we gotta go to 200. Double the value of diamonds and treasures. Now that... Oh no. Alright. These are all really good, but double the value of diamonds and treasures. No. I'd rather do this. Wait, don't I already... Just... Can you do that? You can do that? Sorry, can I have 2? What was that?
You got mail.
Red shiny rock. Grants luck +4 for the next spin. So... Oh, that's a red pepper, and that's a green pepper. I didn't realize that those were two different peppers. Sure. Let's see what happens.
Let's go gambling.
So the chests have a really high chance of triggering. I don't know what that cat does. What does that cat do? Oh, I earn my interest. Okay. That wasn't so bad. All right, we can make this work. Got two more attempts. That interest thing could actually pile up. I guess that's another way to attack this and play trying to target interest rates using the cat. Alright, that wasn't as good. Oh. Alright.
Let's go gambling.
So we need more luck. I need something other than bells, though. Or cherries. This could do it. One more. Oh! Well, that helped. So we made it. We're gonna go to 666 now, and we're gonna see if we make it past it this time. Halves the chance to manifest lemons and cherries, but you get that stupid thing. Okay, hold on. Ooh. All right, we gotta think about this. How many spots total do I have? This is worth it. That's probably worth it. Oh, I don't have enough. Okay. That. Oh no, you know what? This will only be around for a short term though. But look at that interest rate. I need to save 28 coins. So if we can get through this without hitting that. I really thought something. Okay. Triggering the interest rate is going to be very, very useful. We just have to not hit that. Oh, oof. As long as we don't hit it. And look, we raised the diamonds up quite a bit. So we're hitting a massive interest too. This is actually really good. And in fact, I think we're already... Yeah, we're already there. So now we can just do whatever we want with the rest here.
Let's go again.
Oh no. I never realized that the interest thing with the cat can stack like that. That's really good. This is the first time I've been tempted to just go for it because I don't want to lose anything else. But you know what? Let's
go again.
Kind of glad I did. Just hope we really don't want to hit the 666 after this many. Oh, I'm glad we didn't hit it. Oh, I need a Bible. Alright, we're pretty far along for the next one. Doubles the value of diamonds and treasures. Does that double what the current value is? Ooh. What do we got? Oh, this is the fruit salad. That's what I need. This sounds really good. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, that was worth it. Probably. We should probably just throw that away at this point. Still at 46, which is pretty good. What? Every last pattern triggers one more time. Charms with triggers randomly activate double more often. This is what we need. And look, we can get another one of those, but you know what? I can do that now. And I will get that in 3 rounds. I think we'll be okay until then. Wait, what am I doing? Look at that. We'll get an extra 337 every time this cat triggers.
Let's go again.
Awful lot of nothing happening. Just need it to not have any 6s. It's pretty good. I'm gonna go right up to right before. It's as high as I can go. All right. I need 2 more and I can get to that. This is really good. I would love to have that, but it's a lot of Could I do that? I could do that. I could do that. I could do that. Because that would get me 4 total. And that would be enough to get this. No, I want that. Let's do it anyway.
Let's go gambling.
Oh no, not my pepper. That's okay. So I can buy this now.
Let's go gambling.
Do the trains stack? Where if the trains stack? Alright. So we made that deadline no problem, no sweat. Oh, but we're at the 12,000. Seems like a fair amount to reach your final reward for a key. Oh, how do we get there? I don't want any of these. I guess this isn't the end of the world, but I really... Yeah. I don't want to mess with the percentages at all. Oh, right. That's what I need. Oh, I'm at my limit. I don't really want to get rid of any of these. So I need to hit that, and the good news is I have this. Wait. What am I doing? I need 56, alright. Oh my god, I can get that every spin, potentially. I'm gonna hit this button. Well, that was pointless. Still pointless. That wasn't good at all. I mean, that's not terrible, but that's definitely not good. That's better. I'm gonna need more than that, though. You gotta give me more than that to work with here. All right. Let's hopefully get something better than that. That's better. Hey, something new.
You don't need it.
I need this to not hit 666, whatever it does. Oh my god. But that's still not going to be enough. I need to hit... Oh man, I need to hit quite a few more of those, actually. Two more. How much are those worth now? Jeez, 135. I got a new thing. That was very good. That one was great. And now that's gone. So that should actually... I have the opportunity to buy that now. Greedy King, a 3% chance for the golden modifier to be applied to any symbol. And Fortune Teller, 25% chance for the chain modifier to be applied to any symbol. Chain scoring increases the value, so increases the pattern volume. So instead of a modifier on symbols, it's a modifier on the patterns. Okay. Let's deposit some of this. I've never been at this point before. We can pull this off. Look at that. I don't know what happens. This is the last round.
Gambling.
Oh, if you're gonna hit that, you do it now. Don't do it later. Oh. I have enough. I just have to make it there. Oh, that would have been the worst if it would have given me that at the very end. My God. I've never made it this far. I don't know what happens. But look at that, 210. Hey! Oh, is it not over? Oh my God! 333? Or 33,333. Okay. 140. Jeez. Okay, well I got... Does that open this? Okay. Yeah. Oh. I thought we were at the end, but, okay. Huh. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do... Oh, no I'm not. Does this ever end? Will I be able to double, more than double where I'm at? That's the real question. Let's try.
Let's go gambling.
You really don't know when to stop. You told me I couldn't leave. I mean, if I keep doing like that, I should be okay as long as I don't hit the 666. I think the interest was worth way more than that jackpot. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Okay, everything's okay. Look at that interest. Every time. So I need to hit a lot. I need to, what, 7,000 almost each time. Okay. Let's
go.
Let's try. That's a good try. It's a very good try. That's up to 320. All right. So we've hit the amount we need. We just gotta keep it. That cat is earning its keep. So we actually have enough. But I'm gonna do the same strategy we've been doing here. Oh no, we don't have enough. We almost have enough. This next round will do it. Hopefully it'll do it. Get this out of the way now. That's fine. Get it out of the way now. That's a lot of coins. Alright, what happens next? What happens after this deadline? 66! Does it just go on forever? Does it... That's a lot. Double your coins, set your tickets. Do I have room for another pepper? So if I do that... And that would double, that would actually, okay. I'm gonna hit this button again. Okay. There's 6 left on that. I don't feel like this is actually, I'm gonna put it in the drawer. So I'm gonna get plus to my stocks, which is going to be a huge help. And now I'm going to go ahead and double my coins, because now I'm actually past the amount that I need. By a wide margin. Look at that. 3 to go. Look at that interest. Oh. Alright, so what this is going to let me do is I can play through and recharge that.
Let's go gambling.
And I'm getting almost 10,000 interest per. Now, I know the diamond thing would have helped with some of this, but... I could put the diamonds away. can buy another one of those. I'm actually gonna do that and take this diamond back out.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's worth it. Definitely worth it. I even have one round left. God, so if this doubles again, that'll be what, 100 and... Let's just say 30,000. I'm not going to use that yet.
Let's go again.
These are fantastic. I knew I'd find a way to make the diamonds and chests work for me. Okay, deposit now. I'm over 100,000. 200,000, that's not what my mathed. When does it end, though? Can I come back and use this? I'm gonna try that. I need 196, alright. So if I use this...
Let's go.
New item! Holy crap, 24,000. It's a lot in interest. Like, I've done a lot. Considering I actually didn't mean to buy that. I was just buying it to see if I could get the bad thing to slap onto that, but I'm glad I did. Alright. Unlock the nuclear button. All lucky charms triggered by the red button trigger one more time. So this needs to charge. So if I use you, I could get that back right now. There it goes. Perfect. All right, let's finish the roundup then.
Let's go again.
We don't need anything right now. Look at that, 666, no problem. Right now, this is fine. God, what is that up to? 505. 580. We need to multiply that, or we need a multiplier down here. Oh, that's not okay to even tease. We have a round left. Yeah, if I was able to get one of those, that'd be really great.
Let's go again.
Oh, new kind of cat. All right. So I really thought we were gonna have to end it here, but let's keep going. 1 million. I thought I was actually ahead. Okay. 1 million. Double the jackpots. Oh my god. Yeah, let's do that. I gotta see what the hell? That's a lot. Chunky cat. Expired meds. Midas touch. Ring bell. What do we got? Chunky cat. Whenever 7+ patterns trigger during a spin, you'll earn money equal to double your current interest. What was it? Expired meds. Keeps the chance of manifesting the most valuable symbol to 0%. In case of a tie... Wait. Why would you want that? I guess if you're trying to stack everything else, it would work. During this round, all scored symbols increase by their base value permanently. Interesting. Increase all symbols by their base value permanently. So you can just ring that whenever. Okay. But given where we're at right now, I feel like we're in a much better spot than that. And I can activate this again. How much further does it go past 1 million, I wonder? Where are we at? 224. Look at that. 61,000 in interest each time. I'm gonna hit this button.
Let's go.
66,000. $65,000. Jeez. $62. At this rate, we'll hit it, no problem. Especially since every round that's gonna get easier. We're getting closer each time, and look at the interest rate.
Let's go again.
Oh, at least it didn't do it. $300,000 already. We actually have enough right now. That's nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this button. Oh, look. Another 300,000. Why not? I'd love to hit that Bible. Honestly, I don't know if we need this anymore, so I'm gonna put it in the drawer. I think that's better. $116,000 we're looking at.
Let's go gambling.
$128,000 right off. $6 million? I don't know why I'm surprised at this point. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I wonder if I can get it to battery? Nope, no battery. I was hoping. 252, okay.
Let's go gambling.
Oh no, I can't hit that. Well, I can on the next one. We'll see if I need to. Yeah, I probably need to. Nope, we're good. I mean, that's actually not going to get me to 6 million. 6 million's a lot. I'm going to probably need to hit that button. Alright, we're going to hit the button.
Let's go.
We've got to get a few million each round right now. That's how you're going to do it, though. Actually, I'm not sure we're going to hit this. This might be where it ends. That's okay. Well, it would have been okay. Ooh, a new something. A couple of new somethings.
You don't know.
So you know what the problem is we don't have multipliers on enough of these things. So if these bottom multipliers would have been there, I think we could have maybe pulled this off, but I don't think we can where we are right now. Book of Shadows and a Demon Horn. Luck plus 10 after 666, okay. 1.5 chance of seeing a 666. Whenever you see a 666, you gain 3 spins, then 2, then 1, then 0. Interesting. So maybe if we can get 3 million, I don't think we can I don't think there's any possible way for us to get 3 million right now.
Let's go gambling.
Yeah, maybe if we had more spins or modifiers. But with what we got, we're gonna end up shy. But we did really good. That was a lot of monies. Just not enough for us to live, apparently. Down to the grinder. Well, we're going to go ahead and end it there. That's the first time I've ever gotten a key, and apparently there's no end that I can find. There has to be, though, because there's a key to that other door, so we'll have to do it another time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let's go gambling.